Good evening, everyone. Nominations have been invited by the Women and Child Development Department, Government of India for the Prime Minister National Bal Puruskar till 31st July. Under the National Bal Puruskar, children who have achieved extraordinary achievements in the field of bravery, sports, social science, science and technology, environment, art and culture, whose age is between 5 years to 18 years on 31st July will be awarded by the President in ceremony to be held in January 2026. He informed that the award will be announced. Nominations have been invited by the Women and Child Development Department, Government of India for the Prime Minister National Bal Puruskar till 31st July. Under the National Bal Puruskar, children who have achieved at extraordinary achievements in the fields of bravery, sports, social science, science and technology, environment, art and culture, whose age been between 5 to 18 years on 31 1st July will be awarded by President in the ceremony to be held in January 2026. The award will be announced on 26th December 2025 on the occasion of National Veer Bal Divas. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma informed that a total of 25 children will be selected under various categories in the Bal Puruskar. A medal along with a citation will be awarded as per the selection process. First of all, the applications received will be shortlisted by the screening committee, after which the final names will be selected by the National Committee for the National Child Award, state government, union, territory administration, district collector, district magistrate, panchayat raj institutions, all central and state school boards, केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन, नवोदय विद्यालय संगठन, National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, and National Institute of Public Cooperation and Child Development, Ministry of Social Justice, Department of Disability, Department of School Education in the Ministry of Education, all state departments of school education, Ministry of Youth Affairs, Department of Sports, Sports Authority of India, Ministry of Culture, Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of Environment and Forests, Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Home Affairs and National Selection Committee, including a Press Information Bureau, can nominate under information related to the award can be seen on awards.gov.in. Training program issued for 11th International Yoga Day. 11th International Yoga Day will be celebrated on 21st June at district and block level. Pilot rehearsal will be held on 20th June. Ayush Department Haryana has issued a training program for the successful organization of 11th International Yoga Day to be celebrated on 21st June, in which training will be given by yoga experts and Ayush Yoga assistants of Ayush Department, yoga teachers of yoga committees, and yoga instructors of Sports Department. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that during the 3 day training from 26th May to 28th May, training will be given to physical education lecturers, PTI and DP, physical lecturers of government and private schools, PTI and DP, all at the designated the police boy yoga experts and Ayush yoga assistants of Ayush department, yoga teachers of yoga committees, and yoga instructors of sports department. The training time will be from 6 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. He informed that under the 3-day training from 4 to June 6. Training will be given on all the schools of the district by yoga experts and Ayush yoga assist status of Ayush department, yoga teachers of yoga committees, spokesperson, physical education teachers, PTI and DP yoga trainers of sports department and trained yoga trainers of police department. He informed that from June 12 to June 14, a 3-day training program will be organized at stadium, playground, gymnasium, or and understable places by yoga experts and Ayush yoga assist status of Ayush department of the district yoga teacher of yoga committees, spokesperson physical education PTI and DP yoga trainers of sports department and trained yoga trainer of police department for training of administrative officers at block level, including district officers, employees of all other departments, sarpanch, punch, other elected members, officers, employees of police department, NCC cadets, scout cadets, and interested general public. The deputy commissioner informed that from June 16 to June 18, training will be given to ministers, MPs, MLAs, administrative officers, employees of all other departments, elected members, officers, employees of police department, NCC cadets, scout cadets, Nehru Yuva Kendra staff, and interested general public at the district level. This training will be given by yoga experts and Ayush yoga assist status of the district Ayush department, yoga teachers of yoga committees, and yoga instructions of the sports department. He informed that on June 20 from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. a yoga marathon will be organized at the district level by the district administration along with pilot rehearsal for the main program of International Yoga Day, in which schools, college, gurukuls, universities, journal public yoga institutes, police personnel, NCC cadets, NSS, Nehru Yuva Kendra scouts and guides will participate. School children will walk with banners, placards of yoga slogan in their hands. He informed that